I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by creating the workbook and a structured sheet so data stays consistent. Enter columns for date, category, description, amount, type, and notes. Once done, build a categories list on a second sheet and apply data validation to the category column. This prevents typos and makes summarizing reliable. Make sure the amount column is formatted as currency and type uses expense or income dropdowns. This initial structure saves time later and enables accurate calculations and filtering. Next, convert your data range into an Excel table so formulas auto-expand and filters remain stable. Create helper columns, month using text, date, YIMM, a running total with SUMIFs, and a recurring tag to flag subscriptions. Use SUMIFs to sum amount by category and month, and IF to separate income versus expense for net cash computations. Once set, add a pivot table or SUMIF summary that references the table. This gives instant monthly roll-ups and category breakdowns. Finish by building visuals, a pivot chart for monthly trends and a pie or bar chart for category shares to spot where money goes. Add a budget row and conditional formatting to highlight overspending. Then review totals and reconcile with bank statements. Make sure dates are true Excel dates and not text, and that expenses use negative or consistent type values so SUMIFs picks them up. If numbers still disagree, check the table range, remove accidental filters, and verify there are no stray spaces in category entries.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.